Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you a super quick and easy way to add a Google Chrome shortcut to your desktop in Windows. If you want instant access to Chrome right from your desktop, this tutorial will get it done in just a few simple steps. Before we start, make sure to leave a like if this video helps you out, and don't forget to subscribe for more short and useful tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, go to your Windows taskbar and click on the search box. Type Google Chrome and you should see it appear under the Best Match section. Next, right-click on Google Chrome and select Open File Location. This will open up a new window that shows where the Chrome shortcut is stored on your computer. Now, you'll see the Google Chrome shortcut automatically highlighted. Simply right-click on it and choose Copy. Then, minimize or close the window and head back to your desktop. Right-click on any empty space on your desktop and click Paste. And that's it. You'll now see the Google Chrome icon right there on your desktop. You can double click it anytime to instantly open your Chrome browser. Quick, clean, and convenient. So that's how you can easily add a Google Chrome shortcut to your desktop in Windows. If this tutorial helped you out, I'd really appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech how-tos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.